It's not working good because the same button is to turn on or turn off. I need one button to on and the other button to off. How can I program it in a Browning Pro? I need one button to off and another button to off, to on, like this one. This is the old one. This one. One button to on, other button to off. With this, I can program in the turn off all lights or turn on all light. On, off. A different frequency to on and off. But this one, the new one, is the same button to on and off. I can program it off separately to the on. How can I do that? Thank you.